Hello friends, welcome to the Sea of Machine Learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on machine learning using Python, such as drowsiness detection, facial emotion recognition using TensorFlow, face alignment. Also we have gone through videos like eyes blinking using Python. Today's video is really enhancement of previous video, eyes blinking using Python. For that, let us go through the Python file first. First part, importing the required library statement, all these statement. Then next part, method eye aspect ratio. It is used for year as per a research paper. Then next statement, ap is equal to arg parse, and this part is used for passing command line arguments. The next part, IR thresh, it is used for importing variables to tune the implementation. Then counter to count the blinking of eyes total. The next part, detector predictor, it is used for initialize the face detector and facial landmark detector. Then starting the webcam. Then while loop, which is always true. Then in that creating the frames, and this part, left eye and right eye, this part, and put text to put on the webcam blinking, put text here, it will display on the webcam. Then I am show frame, and then Q to exit the while loop. Then close all, destroy all window and stop the recording. Now I will execute the program. Yes, yes, it is detecting. Yes, 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 blinking is 2. Right now it is 2. Now three, yes, 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 4, yes. So I have successfully done with eyes blinking and detection using Python. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video patiently. Thank you very much.